Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 29th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir, as expected, dropped a little bit. So we are down 40 cents, 2.15%. We closed at 18.17. Let's look at what we have. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So on the chart, we have a red candle, longer wick at the bottom here. The stock came down almost to 1782. So we came down to 1791. Pretty close. So we seem to be hitting support again. So of course, there's not much room between 1782 and 1910. The stock is ping-ponging between these two lines. We had this nice stream of higher lows here. So this was an indication that maybe we would be breaking 1910. We broke 1910 two times during the day, but we could not close above it. And now we are coming down. So it was yay close to break it, but we did not. Close but no cigar. Yeah, let's look at the 1 hour chart. So basically, you look at this first hour, boom, we just dropped big red candle. So somebody sold something here. Look at the volume here. The volume on this first hour at 300,000 shares and with an average of 93,000 shares. So some big whale dumped on Palantir. I'm going to say it like that. And basically, we trended sideways with a nice green candle towards the finish line. Stochastic under 60, so nothing is going to happen before a couple of days on the 1 hour chart. Everything else is in the toilet. I gotta say, I love Palantir a whole lot because I am tolerating the stock that is not doing much. And I'm doing this technical analysis on it. It just goes to show that I believe in that stock fundamentally, but technically, there's nothing there yet. Let's look at stochastic on the daily chart at 10, RSI below 50. There's still MACD. MACD will always show a crossover bullish after a stock has dropped a lot and started to stabilize. MACD will always show this buy signal. It does not mean that it's going to go back up, but it just means that in terms of the moving averages, things are crossing back. So it's not unusual for MACD to give these false signals. I might call them that. This is why I'm using MACD just as a little of a reminder that things might be recovering at some point, but I'm not using MACD to act on things very much. I prefer to use a break of resistance with a nice stochastic over 60. That's pretty much what I need to see. Let's just be patient. That's all I have to say. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers. So if you can click on that little button, I would appreciate it. It would be nice to cross 5,000 before 2022. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.